I'll be showing you how to find saved posts on Instagram. So let's say you had saved a post. So for instance, this is a post and you had saved it by tapping on the save icon here. When you want to find saved posts, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. That takes you to your profile page. And then tap on the three-line button in the top right. And then from the menu that pops up, tap on saved. And that is going to show you all the saved posts in your Instagram account. So that's basically how to find saved posts. Now, if you want to look at Reels specifically, you can just tap on the Reels icon, and here you can see the posts saved as Reels. Basically, all the posts are here, but if you want to only see Reels, you just tap on that, and you can see all your saved Reels. And that is basically how to see or how to find saved posts on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.